So, tiny house living has literally been something of an obsession for me for literally like for the past maybe even like 2 years. And if you've been watching my channel, you've seen as I've started to like declutter and like really pare down my stuff. Um, and it's because like I want to eventually own a tiny house, live in a tiny house. Like that is what I want. So I'm just like really addicted to it and just watching videos. This is tiny house hunting playing in the background, but like just watching people house hunt, and I'm just like, I'm gonna house hunt for a tiny house one day and I'm gonna live there. It's gonna be great. So yeah, I'm just really excited about that future aspects of life. But anyway, so just did like another declutter of my clothes, and I really just pared them down a lot. Like let me find my tripod first of all. There it is. Yeah, I really just pared down a lot of my clothes, and just to make things really simple, took everything out of my drawers and just put it in the bed, and then I just took out my stuff that I'm not wearing and put stuff back in that I am wearing. Like that's it. I took out stuff also that was like old. I had t-shirts that had like holes in them, little holes, or rips. I had pants that had holes in them. So not that I don't like throwing away my clothes, but I only have like right now I only have 2 pairs of jeans. I think it's 2. Maybe, no, 3 pairs. Before that, I had like 6 pairs, which really isn't a lot, but I had like 3 pairs that literally had holes in them, and I'm like, oh, well, I wear these the most, and that was true, and that's why they had holes in them, but, I could just get rid of them and wear the other ones. It's fine. So that's what I did. Even with like my intimates and my night clothes, all of that, like even my workout clothes, like I haven't worked out almost in like 6 months now, but I do like to work out like when I start doing it, when I get going. So I had like 6 pairs of leggings, and then once again I pared it down. I pared it down to 2 pair of leggings, and then I have 2 pair of leggings that I like to wear as pants, but I can also work out in them. So I'm like, okay, why do I have all these leggings? So I think I only kept one of the workout leggings, and then I kept the 4 pair of leggings that I like can wear as pants or whatever. So, just like making the decision to just get rid of stuff. Well, clothes specifically. And now I need to like pare down my things. I feel like I have a lot of just random things. Like for example, this is my desk, and I have like pens. Like literally, this is all my pens. These are all my sticker books. Like that's it. So it's not a ton, but I feel like it's just still enough that it just gets decluttered. So I need to just figure out like stuff wise what I need to do and how I want to pare down, just because in the future when I live in a tiny house, like I want to just be ready. Anyway, that's how I've decluttered recently. I'm also trying to decide what I want to do about my hanging up clothes or my dresses and stuff like that, just because I have them because I would go to church regularly pre-pandemic, okay? And then like the pandemic happened, and now my schedule of work is crazy. I can really only get off maybe 2 times a month on Sundays to go to church. So I could pare down a lot of my clothes in there, but I don't have a lot of it as is. I thought about doing a capsule wardrobe, and I've kind of adapted it in the sense that I only buy certain colors. I only buy certain colored dresses or dressed up clothes or clothes period. I stay within the colors that I love, my comfort zone, things that I know that I'm gonna wear over and over and over. So I've done that. I've adapted that in the sense of a capsule wardrobe, but I still haven't pared down, I think, enough for having a small closet in a tiny house, so to speak. So something I definitely need to do. That's that. Yeah, so that was me just paring down my clothes, decluttering my clothes. This is probably maybe like the 3rd time me paring down my clothes. As you can see, my colors are pretty much the same. As far as like my casual clothes, it's pretty much black, gray, some olive is in there, like, and some maroon, like that's it. But those are my colors, that's what I enjoy wearing, and that's what I wear all the time. The fact that I can stick to it, I really love that, love that about my wardrobe. So anyway, I need to get to doing some work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video me showing you how I just pared down my clothes. I'll show you again when I do like my closet. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.